Why didn't I think of this before? Just start putting steel wool in light bulbs, and light bulbs companies will go out of business. So hey everyone, here I have an LED light bulb that's not working anymore. It's burned out. I was thinking of throwing it away to buy another, but thanks to this hack, I no longer waste my money. Let's fix this light bulb without spending a single penny. It's pretty easy and using something you already have at home. Here I have this light bulb I'm gonna plug in to test, and you see that it doesn't work. As you can see, this light bulb is burned out. But don't worry, with this simple hack I'm gonna teach you now, you know exactly why it's not working and of course how to fix it. What many people don't know is that this part of the light bulb is made of plastic. So what we're gonna do is remove it with the help of some tool. Just run it along this part and the glue will come off. And as you can see, it opens quite easily. Now we can see what happened with the light bulb. The way light bulbs work is quite simple. It works in a serial sequence. Each LED is connected to the next one, meaning if one of them is damaged, the sequence is broken. And that's why the light bulb doesn't light up anymore. So first, you need to identify which one of them is damaged. Usually, the one that's burned out has a little dot. See? It's this one. After identifying the damaged LED, go ahead and remove it. After that, let's take a piece of steel wool. That's right, a tiny piece, just enough to completely cover the LED. This way, we're gonna isolate the burnout LED, and by doing so, the sequence will be restored, and the light bulb will start working again. Then, take some tape and stick it right on top of where we exposed the LED. Here, I'm gonna leave the video without editing to show you guys that this really works. Now let's test our light bulb again and see what happens. And as you can see, it's already working perfectly. That's pretty cool, isn't it? With this simple hack, you're gonna save a lot of money because most of the times, that's the reason why LED light bulbs burn out. And now that you know how to fix them, you don't need to throw them away anymore. So that was today's tip. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.